Right, folks, so for this Wednesday's Manversation, we are reviewing suits worn by some popular international personalities, I'm told, and we'll be sharing our personal insights on whether these look fit our fashion preferences.
I say, that me and you.
I guess. Unless you're bringing Soja and Clive, you don't know who else I would have made.
Right.
That's Soja. That's Soja. All right, so what's the first one, and let's see what's going on with that. Yeah, I don't see nothing wrong with that.
It's not bad. It's a cold evening out, clearly.
I don't know. Well, I'm not certain why. What do you call that? A shawl?
Shawl, yeah.
I'm not certain why. I don't know if I would wear it, but...
It's for its +1. In case you get cold.
Yeah, well, I don't see the +1, but...
Or if you more wrap your head certain way.
I don't know if I would wear the shawl, but I can live with that. I don't have a problem with how it look. I'm not certain I would wear the shawl part, but I can live with that.
I like this outfit.
I can live with that.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that one. Next. Yeah, nothing wrong with that either.
That's Idris Elba, isn't it? I don't know who the first person was, but yeah.
Yeah, it is Idris.
But this is Idris Elba.
Yeah. With that.
Yeah,
well, you know, a while ago I think it was just full black, but now that it come up and see in the blue. Yeah. Actually, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a good mix.
I actually prefer the blue to the full black, actually. I would, certainly would wear that. Yeah. I definitely would wear that. The fit, everything is all right. Yeah. My pants kind of a little bit bigger how me wear my pants, but still. And the bow tie, nice, man. No. I guess that's formal.
Yeah.
Did you know, and I didn't,
all right,
that semi-formal is regular suit and tie? And I always thought that was formal.
Right.
Yeah, semi-formal is like what I have on here. Formal is the tuxedo.
The three-piece?
Yeah, formal is a tuxedo, apparently.
Okay.
So I didn't know, because I think formal was like how me and you dress, you know. But apparently not so. If I'm wrong, I'm going to correct me still. But I was reading somewhere, and apparently that is formal, and this is semi-formal. I didn't know that because
interesting. Really?
I definitely wouldn't wear that.
Yeah, this is Wesley Snipes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's an interesting choice he's made there.
Interesting is an interesting word. And that's a certain, I would use that word.
Those are shorts, all right. Okay.
But there's that tights business underneath it too, don't it?
All right.
Yeah, I'm not no.
And those are striped, those are horizontal stripe?
I was going to say I'm not certain, but I'm certain I wouldn't wear that.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
No, the only way I could deal with something like that if it was cultural, because you know some folks like them have the Bermuda shorts in Scotland, right. They wear the kilt.
Right.
So I could live with that if it is someone's culture. I'm not certain if this is someone's culture, but no, I wouldn't wear that.
Yeah,
no.
It's very burgundy. It's like it's extremely burgundy.
But at least you know colors.
I feel like.
Oh, you can all feel it too? No, man, but you're wicked, man. No, you can't say from here, and feel that.
Well, and the bow tie, I don't know. He could have made some kind of something pop. You know, it's just, no.
Well, me don't say from day one, you know, me just wouldn't wear it.
Yeah. Huh? All right, this is Michael B. Jordan. This is him, right?
It really no matter to me who it be still, but me not like that. That look like it could have wear. Yeah, me not an issue with that.
Yeah, this is Tux again.
I can't see whether I'm on like a vest underneath. This is a black tux. Yeah, so this is formal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can live with that.
And the way it's fitted as well, if you notice,
man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well done, boss man.
Yeah, man.
Well done. What's that on his lapel, though?
I don't know. Yeah, I can live with that.
Samuel L. Jackson.
I definitely could live with that. The fit for the pants could a little bit
closer,
and the length also.
Right.
It seems like it's a little long, which you have the little fold at the bottom there. But the colors and the outfit look, the way it look, I have no issue with that. I could wear that.
Yeah,
I would wear that.
He's gone with a jacket that matches his beard.
No, man. I would wear that. I can't live with that. So just one on the Mars Wesley we wouldn't wear.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. All right, come again.
straight out of the 70s? What's going on here, Usher? The bell-foot pants.
I do have an issue with the bell-foot pants, but the whole long thing down pan there's something. No, I wouldn't wear that.
That we're on the pan carpet, because the minute you step on grass or dirt, road, the pants are done.
No, I wouldn't wear that. But
all right, so you wouldn't wear, what wouldn't you wear? The entire outfit or like the pants?
No, I wouldn't wear the pants like that.
Right.
But as a youth, I did wear bell-foot pants still when bell-foot pants come in, but it never so
belly
spread out. Yeah. Never so bell.
The bell.
Yeah.
But how about the top though?
So where the shoes?
Yeah, them shoes look very pointy at the front there.
So you see shoes on the pants, me see in the shoes.
So all of that time I have pants on, so never. I must shoes at some point. But let's get to the top though. You don't wear the top there? You don't wear the jacket there?
Yeah, the jacket look like a regular black jacket.
Right. Actually, it isn't, you know. But would you wear the top like that though, never?
I show the whole of my chest and thing.
The chain, we're talking about the drip.
No, I probably wouldn't. But we still can't figure out how to see shoes, guys. Those pants, me say me don't see no shoes.
Yeah, man, shoes there, man.
So the pants, you can see the shoes from there? Well, something wrong with me.
Yeah. All right, let's see the next.
So is that shoes that we're looking at and not the bottom of the pants?
Yeah, it's actually shoes at both. It's kind of both, but it's a little difficult to see.
Well, I know me don't see no shoes.
So all right, so we're going to see devil now wear the pants and then we're going to show off him chest. Let's go.
No, I wouldn't. Me's a pirate, may hide my chest.
Steve Harvey. As always, his suits always kill on Family Feud.
Yeah, that one let me that lick.
Yeah, man, for sure.
I actually have a suit exactly like that. Yeah. I have a suit exactly like that. Yeah. That I would lick.
Black tie, black shirt.
I would lick exactly that. That I can work with. I don't know about the mustache, but me I lick everything else.
And the ball head.
Yeah. Well, you go and you're closer to him than me. Me have a little spot. You have many areas.
Well, real estate.
Yeah, man, I would, as them say, I would rock that. Right. Next one.
Who's this gentleman? He look popular. All right. No.
I don't know. No.
This is who? Stephan Johnson. Okay.
Whoever Stephan is.
I don't know if I don't have velvet suit though. You never?
I don't have a problem with the velvet. I more have a problem with how it just look. I just don't think it looks so comfortable. And the white shoes, I don't know if I like a white shoes with that.
Well, I think he's just kind of going for the whole Christmas, Valentine's appearance, because that red and white is very festive.
No, but I mean, me wear a full red suit the other day, and that wasn't Valentine or Christmas. No. About 2-3 weeks ago. Yeah. But this
is when you want it to be, yo.
I don't know. I certainly wouldn't wear the white shoes.
Okay. What shoes would you wear? Black?
Probably, yeah.
I like the pop of color for the shoes because that's a lot of red going on. There's the vest, there is the jacket, there is the tie, those pants, red right through. Well, plus the red carpet.
If you want people to talk about you, you're just like that. Because you will be a conversation piece for most of the night.
Certainly.
No, but I don't know.
It look like one sofa.
I don't know. John Legend. Hold on now, is half of the jacket long and the other half short?
How it go?
I mean, that's right. Yeah. The left side long and the...
okay, John.
I don't think so.
It's a statement.
No, and it's the statement say what?
It's not a statement I'd make.
What you say? Me not certain, me never two certain outfits caught in two minds.
I want a long coat, I want a blazer. How about a clazer?
I don't know about that. Sir John, I like your music.
This is not legendary.
I love how you sing, but...
Yeah, that's not legendary.
I don't know. Again, it's another conversation piece. They say where that now people say, wonder what he was thinking.
Yeah.
Who this fella is?
Chance the Rapper.
I don't have a problem with that. Yeah, I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah, that's all right. I mean...
Maybe the shoes. I like that shoes there with it still. grey, brown and black shoes with the grey.
I think he's trying.
That's grey, right? That's grey.
It look grayish, silverish. But I think he's trying to match the hat, and I would not have accessorized with that hat. I know it's his brand and whatnot, but no.
I don't know if I'd have put on a suit and wear a cap.
Yeah.
It's a cap.
It's a cap, sorry, okay.
Apparently they say caps have peaks and
hats have rims.
That's what I'm told.
All right.
So I'm told. But I don't know. I am certain I wouldn't work the cap with it. But I could wear that suit. I can live with that. Yeah. I don't say anything.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know it's him signature hat, but him be at the night, him go sleep at night.
Right.
Him never wear it every single day.
You never would rock this, no cap.
Yeah. and no shoes. I wouldn't wear that shoes with it.
Okay.
Anything else?
This is a Justin Bieber that? You should have stayed home.
Maybe I wear the tam.
But I wear the shades.
Yeah.
Punto final, that's it.
Yeah.
Nothing else now going from chin to foot.
No, I agree with that. I'm not a big, what do you call it? I'm not a
roomy fit.
Yeah, I'm not into the room.
Baggy.
No. Although listen, everything in life just come back, you know. My father used to wear one tin tie thing like a finger. I know most people wear tin tie. Then it go broad, big like Chris Gayle, but then it come back to slim tie again. So everything spin wrong. You saw see pleat pants come back in. Can you remember the pleat pants them? I bet you saw see that come. As a matter of fact, I'm going to wear a pleat pants.
Let me tell you what Justin Bieber look like right here in this one here.
Yeah.
You know, like you just break out of prison and you jump, you boom a fence and thief somebody clothes just to kind of disguise yourself like, they'll never know it's me.
It's because I know him well. I don't want.
Justin as a Canadian, as a fellow Canadian.
I know him very well, and I wouldn't want to go there and say the man go to jail and all kind of thing.
No, I'm just saying, this outfit looks that way.
It's not everything him say. I agree with.
Justin, look here. I understand that Neville is a brethren, and this is my opinion, not Neville's opinion, okay?
But between me and Justin, him kind of right still, truth be told. All right, that's it for Manversations, the suit version.
The suit version. Hi, Tammy.